Hey guys, welcome to Mike's Favorite Eats. We got an invitation to cook with a friend, so we're gonna try something special today. We're gonna cook Persian eats.
درود خوش اومدین.
There's nothing more fun than cooking with friends, discovering new favorite eats, and submersing yourself into new cultures. And today, we're going to learn how to make Persian eats.
We're here with a dear friend of mine, Marjan, who's gonna help us make a Persian dish. What's the name of your Persian dish?
It's called Tah-Cheen, which is almost, it's like a bottom of the dish.
Tah-Cheen.
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 You got it.
I got it. I know Farsi. I know Farsi.
Okay.
So, what's the first step in making your dish?
The first step is chicken. You get a chicken breast, and then you cut some onion, and you have some bay leaves. So you pour some water in your chicken breast, which is raw, and then you put some bay leaves, and you cut the onion. It doesn't have to be any, particular shape, and then salt, pepper, and turmeric.
So the next step after the chicken, I see a big thing of water there. Tell me what you do next.
I soak the rice about a couple hours in cold water and salt.
Oh, so you actually wash the rice.
Wash the rice until the water is
So you
clear.
put it in, you drain it out, you put it in, you drain it out
Drain it
until
out.
all of that residual off of the rice is cleared out, and then you have a very so that's probably what makes
Yes.
the rice really, really good.
Yes,
Okay.
you have to wash until clear water.
I got you.
So you add the rice to the boiling water. You close the lid and let this start boiling.
So now you're going to turn that on high and let
Very
it really
high.
boil, a full boil.
Full boil.
For how long?
You have to watch the rice. You can't just walk away from it. You have to stay there and then keep tasting it until it's like al dente.
So you want it al dente, not too
Al
soft.
dente.
But al dente, either way. Okay, so I'm looking at a few things. I am not sure exactly what I'm looking at.
Yeah,
so tell me what we got.
This is very it's definitely Persian ingredients. We use a lot in our Persian food. We got barberry, which is this right here. And then we got raw pistachio right here, which I soaked overnight. And then we got raw almond, which I soaked overnight. You can purchase these ingredients in a Middle Eastern store. Pistachio and almond, I have seen it this regular supermarket. You can purchase it. It doesn't necessarily have to be the same shape. But barberry, definitely you have to go to Middle Eastern store. Okay.
So you got barberry. We're going to strain that, it looks like.
Yes, because that's the way we wash it.
You need some help? Is that heavy?
No.
Okay, all right,
no.
you're in good shape.
I'm strong.
I see that.
So you drain the barberry.
So do you strain this more with water, or
No,
you
we're just gonna put it here, and then I'm gonna let
drain
you
out?
how to make it on the stove. So we're gonna check on our rice before we do the barberry because this is very sensitive. You have to drain it on time before it gets really cooked. You wanna taste it and give a feel of it?
Yeah. Mom's laughing off the camera right now. Oh, so that's really al dente.
Yes.
I mean, you want it like
Yeah.
super al dente, like really not cooked a lot.
Correct.
Okay, all right, I got you. So now we're going to, I guess, fry this barberry.
Fry
Okay.
the barberry, but barberry is very sensitive, so it needs to be very quick. Barberry in there.
Wow, that was quick. All right. And here it's sizzling.
Turn it down a little bit so you have a control of it because it burns really fast. And as it's getting there, you need to add sugar to this. I have a brown sugar. You can do white sugar.
So this is brown sugar.
Yes.
Okay.
And I tell you how to taste it because I've been cooking Persian food for a long time. I usually don't measure things that much, but I let you know how you can tell it's enough sugar. So taste it. It has to be sweet and sour. To me, it's still sour. So
That is sour.
Yep.
But the consistent. Oh, so you're gonna add a little more sugar.
So we add a little bit of more sugar. So we're gonna taste it now.
What I'm tasting is almost the sugar. Then when you get to that perfect level, it seems like the sugar just coats the barberry. Really, it just kind of coats it and takes that sourness out of it, which is nice.
Yeah, be very careful because if your barberries start getting, they actually blow like a balloon. I turned the stove off because, like I said, this is a very sensitive berry, so you don't want it to fry. Saffron is another main ingredient in Persian cooking.
Wow. Can I taste it?
Of course.
Yeah.
In Persian, old Persians say, do not eat too much saffron because you might laugh to die.
Oh, that's nice. So now that is a unique spice. That is a very unique
Very
spice.
unique spice. So we put some saffron in there, so it gives it that beautiful color.
So what I have is the berry and the sweetness of the berry with the sugar, and then some sort of pop with that saffron. It gives it like a little pop.
Yes.
And that kind of all works together, definitely. Absolutely delicious. Okay, so we are in the production line mode, right? So
Yes.
we've prepped pretty much everything that we have to prep. Now we have all these beautiful ingredients that really make this layered dish.
So this is the first layer of the dish. The second layer is our shredded chicken.
So layer number 3, barberry, beautiful. Layer number 4, almond.
And then pistachio.
Layer number 5, pistachio.
And
Right.
then we are going to put our final
So
layer.
you seal it in with the rest of the rice layer for the casserole.
Yes.
Wow.
Final layer.
Wow.
So we're going to cover the dish with foil tight, so there's no air in it. And then we're gonna put it in 365 degrees for 45 minutes.
Excellent. We'll see how that works out.
So this is my Persian room after cooking, and this is where we relax. And everything is very Persian. The Persian rug, hookahs, the teapot. So this is where we relax after cooking and eating a lot. We drink.
Well, I can tell you, this room has a lot of beautiful artifacts in it, and it's a very, very relaxing room as well.
Yes.
In fact, I think we might have a few drinks coming right now, actually.
Yes.
Hi.
Wow, hey, Fuad.
Hey, you're welcome.
How are you?
خوش اومدین.
How do you say cheers and having some fun in
Salamati.
Salamati?
به سلامتی.
Be
به
Salamati.
سلامتی.
Salamati means
به سلامتی.
Salamati means to your health.
Be Salamati. To your help, everyone. Thank you. This,
To your
Yeah.
health.
this has been fantastic. Thank you.
Salamati.
All
All
right, so we took our, okay, say it one more time for me.
Tah-Cheen.
Tah-Cheen out of the oven, and it's cooked. It was in about 45 minutes or so, and from what I can tell, I think it looks beautiful, right? So we're gonna do some things. Take the foil off. What are we up to here?
We take the foil off.
All right. Wow, nice and beautiful, crispy on the top. A little crisp on the top. I can see the edges. Here, I'll get rid of this for you.
We're gonna pour some melted butter.
Now that is to. I think what's happening is we're going to flip this.
We
That
have
is
to
scary.
flip
I think flipping it is scary in itself,
Yes.
since it just came out of the oven and it is very hot. So we're going to loosen up the sides a little bit, which remember, we took oil and we went up the sides, so we made sure that we tried to reduce some of the friction on that. Just going to try to loosen that up a little bit. And
Yeah,
again,
just-
it's very hot, so be very careful when you try to do this.
So you put the dish on top of it.
All right, so you take your serving dish, lay it on top, and do the Persian flip. We call this the Persian flip.
This is a Persian flip for sure. 1, 2.
You want help?
All
Well, that looks like it is absolutely
That looks like
gorgeous.
a success.
Yes.
That
I will
looks
take
like
this,
a
but
success.
there you go. Off camera. Here, let me get this out of the way for you. Ready? Here we go. Beautiful. Oh, yeah. 45 minutes cooking time, a lot of prep, and at the end of the day, she just did a fantastic job.
The only thing left to do as she garnishes her dish with barberry, almonds, and pistachios is check with Mom.
Is this dish going to be good?
مامان میگه غذا خوشمزه استین.
مجلسی.
She says, yeah, it's a very festive dish.
I can't wait. All right, guys, I'm going to give this a taste. So those berries just pop. You got the sweetness of the berries along with that little sourish. It's kind of a good combo. The pistachios, the chicken, crispiness of everything. You're gonna love this dish. Absolutely check this out.
The table is set, the guests are arriving, and the Tah-Cheen looks amazing. Now it's time to sit back, relax, and enjoy our Persian brunch.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out at Mike's Favorite Eats. We're about to cut into this beautiful Tah-Cheen and have a great party here. Marjan, special thanks to her for making that beautiful dish.
Thank you for having me.
Our pleasure. Check out Mike's Favorite Eats. We'd love to have you subscribe to the channel and check out a few of our other videos and make sure you leave a comment, especially what's your favorite eats. See ya.